Happy Valentine's Day. I'm Kendrick and we're here at Cooking for Love, and I'm here with my dear friend Kathleen and the love of her life, Jim.
Sure.
And we're going to toast the kickoff of Valentine's.
And I'm Kathleen Hall. I'm the CEO and mother of the Mindful Living Network. And this really is the love of my life. Our first date was 46 years ago on Valentine's Day. And we've been married for 44 years.
Love at first sight.
It really was. It was love. Literally, if you don't believe it, love at first sight. And we have literally fallen back in love how many times? A jillion. And are literally more in love now than we've ever been in our lives. So we're kind of the holding out hope for all of you who think that it doesn't happen. And by the way, we were never looking for love. This is an important thing for young people to realize.
That's right.
He had his career. I had mine. I loved what I did. He loved what he did. And both of us were focused going out on our career.
Absolutely.
Had no interest of entangling with anyone. And then he drug a patient over, and I tried to throw it out of the hospital, and the rest is history.
Same with my husband and me. It's so wonderful to have this kind of celebration.
Isn't it?
It is the
It
best.
is.
It is the best. So
What a great day to celebrate.
It is, isn't
It
it?
is.
We're going to toast that, as a matter of
Yes.
fact. We're going to talk a little bit about what you can do for your aperitif before dinner or celebrating or having people
Right.
over. We have a non-alcoholic and then we have a little alcoholic. And so what we did to spruce this up is we're going to have soda water, but we're going to flavor it up with a little simple sugar, which is 1 part sugar, 2 parts of water over the burner. And then I mashed up some strawberries. So we're just going to put a little.
It's beautiful.
Each of these gives color, it gives sweetness
So it's
and
simple
texture.
syrup with sugar.
Simple syrup. It's 1 part sugar, 2 parts water,
Beautiful.
and mashed up some strawberry. And then we're going to put a little mint leaf in for more color. So we have red and we have green, and then we're going to have our soda water. And so we're going to start toasting. Then I'm going to do the Prosecco. And if you want a little more, we can put a little more in it, a little more strawberry. Here you are.
Thank you.
And then for Prosecco, we just, to make it festive, put a little strawberry on the side. I'm going to do a little simple syrup on this too, just for fun, because I think it'll just give it a little something. And I'm also going to put one more, 1 extra strawberry. And then we're going to have the Prosecco.
And tell me, you taught me what Prosecco was this morning. I didn't know what Prosecco was.
It's wonderful. It's like an Italian champagne, but it has less alcohol content, less sugar, less alcohol.
Because
It's
I'm
only
used to
about
the word
7%.
champagne. Did you know what Prosecco was?
No, I had no
Yeah.
idea.
So-
It's wonderful. It's very mild. You can actually have it with fish and shrimp and things like that, but it's so refreshing in the summer.
Really?
You can have it in Provence, and you can have it in Tuscany or here, so it's wonderful.
Fabulous.
So,
Yes.
And even in the hot Lanta,
Hot Lanta. It's the best.
the ATL.
Cheers.
Cheers.
to my
Cheers.
love.
Happy
Love, love,
Valentine's Day.
We love her.
We love
each
you
other.
all.
We love you.
We do.
Please, 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 if you ever do anything in your life, please take love out into the world. It's February. It's Valentine's Day. Don't you think in
I
every
do.
form and every fashion, the world has never needed love like it does now. So here's to love.
Salute
Absolutely.
Love
to
you.
good friends and to those we love.
Amen.
Our loving.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's
Happy
Day.
Valentine's
everyone.
Day.